Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv, where we bring you in-depth insights into the products that matter most. Today, we've got something that's bound to spark some curiosity, especially for those of you who love a good homemade beverage. The 10-in-1 Nut Milk Maker is a versatile kitchen gadget that's taking the art of plant-based milk and smoothies to the next level. Whether you're a fan of almond milk, oat milk, or even fresh juices, this could be the all-in-one solution you've been looking for. This nut milk maker isn't just a milk maker. With its 40-ounce capacity, it promises to do a whole lot more than just churn out a good almond milk. It offers up to 10 different functions, including nut milk, oat milk, juice, milkshake, soup, and even the ability to boil water or keep it warm. That's right. It's packed with multiple capabilities that could make your morning routine quicker, smoother, and way more efficient. If you've been tired of all the appliances cluttering your kitchen, the idea of consolidating them into one neat, powerful machine might be music to your ears. And the best part? It's perfect for family-sized servings, with that large 40-ounce, 1.2-liter capacity. No more making multiple batches for your household. You can make enough to enjoy a drink with breakfast without any hassle. Now, before you get too excited, let's break down some of the key features that make this product stand out from the crowd. We're talking about a powerful 800-watt motor and 10 stainless steel blades that effortlessly tackle everything from ice to frozen fruits. So if smoothies, milkshakes, or even frozen cocktails are more your speed, this machine has the chops to blend those in no time. Plus, the Nut Milk Maker's self-cleaning feature is an absolute game changer. With just one press of a button, it automatically takes care of the mess. No more scrubbing away at the buildup from sticky almond milk residue. A huge time saver, if you ask me. And let's not forget the practicality built into this design. With a 1 to 12 hour delay start feature, you can set the machine up in advance, whether it's for the morning rush or a cozy evening. The keep warm function is another win, holding your drinks at a perfect temperature for up to 2 hours, so you can sip at your leisure without worrying about reheating. As far as real-world usage goes, the setup process is straightforward. Plug it in, fill it with the ingredients you want to turn into a delicious beverage, and let the machine do its thing. When testing out the nut milk function, it worked exactly as advertised. I tossed in some almonds, added water, and within minutes had fresh, creamy almond milk ready to go. The texture was smooth, and the flavor was far superior to store-bought versions, which is always a big win. Switching to oat milk? No problem. The process was just as seamless, and the consistency was perfect. The same goes for juice and milkshakes. It's fast, and the results are on point. Now, with any product, there are going to be a few things that might not work perfectly for everyone. Let's talk about some of the cons. While the overall performance of the Nut Milk Maker is excellent, the noise level can be a bit high, especially when you're blending tougher ingredients like frozen fruits or ice. It's not unbearable, but it's something to keep in mind if you prefer quieter appliances in the kitchen. Additionally, the 40-ounce capacity, while perfect for families, might be a bit too large for someone who typically makes single servings. It's great for batches, but if you're looking for a smaller option, this could feel a bit overkill. On the flip side, the strengths of this product definitely outweigh the drawbacks. The ease of use is fantastic, and the cleaning feature is revolutionary. I also found that the 10 different functions genuinely make this a multi-purpose appliance worth its weight. If you're someone who likes variety, this is definitely a big plus. Plus, the large capacity is great for gatherings, and if you entertain often or have a big family, this could be a true kitchen asset. In terms of value for money, the Nut Milk Maker does a good job balancing cost and features. At its price point, you're getting a high-powered blender with the added bonus of multiple functions, something you might not find in other standard blenders or milk makers. While there are similar appliances on the market, many of them lack the diverse range of features that this one brings to the table, especially the delay start and self-cleaning features. For a comparable product, you'd likely find machines that only specialize in 1 or 2 areas, which can push the price up without offering as much versatility. If you're after an all-in-one solution, this is a solid option that doesn't break the bank, but also doesn't sacrifice quality. When we compare this machine to others, the immediate competitors are typically more specialized, like dedicated nut milk makers or high-end blenders that do only one thing really well. The difference here is that the nut milk maker offers far more functionality for a similar price. Many single-function appliances in this range will get the job done, but they can't compete with the convenience this product brings to the table. If you're okay with the slight noise and larger size, this machine stands out by offering superior versatility and an impressive range of features. As for build quality, the nut milk maker is constructed with stainless steel for durability, which makes it feel solid and long-lasting. There's a bit of heft to it, but it feels sturdy on the counter. Given its solid motor and reliable blade design, I'm confident this machine can hold up well over time. For a product in this category, long-term durability isn't typically an issue, but as always, how well it lasts will depend on how often it's used and maintained. Thankfully, the self-cleaning feature helps with maintenance, which is always a bonus. I didn't have any direct customer service interactions, but the brand's reputation suggests that they're relatively responsive. The user manual included is clear and detailed, and it's also nice to see that the product comes with a recipe book for some added inspiration. So, to wrap things up, the 10-in-1 nut milk maker is a solid choice for anyone looking for a versatile kitchen companion. It ticks all the boxes: powerful motor, multiple functions, easy to use, and easy to clean. While the noise level and large capacity might be a turnoff for some, those looking for an all-in-one machine that handles everything from soy milk to smoothies will appreciate its value. If you're looking for a product that brings efficiency and variety to your kitchen routine, this one's certainly worth considering. Thank you for tuning into Reviews Inside TV today. If you're interested in getting your own nut milk maker, check out the link in the comments box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming reviews. If you've already tried this product or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay tuned for more honest and insightful reviews right here at Reviews Inside TV.